In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal productivity. Even if you're working solo, Asana can be a simple, reliable way to organize your day, track progress, and stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. Start by making sure you're in My Workspace on the left sidebar. This is the best place for personal productivity because everything you create will be tied to you, not a team, keeping things clean and private. Next, create a personal project to hold your to-dos. Click Create, choose Project, then Blank Project. Give it a clear name like My Daily Tasks or Personal Productivity so you recognize it at a glance. Choose the list view for a straightforward checklist feel. If you prefer a visual layout, board view works too, but we'll keep it simple with a list for now. Inside your new project, add a few sections to group your work. Create sections like Today, This Week, Later, and Personal Goals. These act like buckets that make your tasks easier to scan and prioritize. You can drag tasks between sections as your priorities change. Now add tasks. Click Add Task and enter clear, actionable names such as Finish Report, Pay Bills, Workout, or Learn a New Skill. Keep task names short and specific, starting with a verb so you immediately know what to do when you see them. Assign each task to yourself by clicking Assignee and selecting your name. This ensures everything shows up in your My Tasks area, which is where you'll manage your day. Set due dates to give your tasks urgency and structure. Click Due Date and choose a date. Asana uses these dates to help you automatically prioritize and see what's coming up, so don't skip this step. For daily focus, go to My Tasks in the left sidebar. You'll see categories like Today, Upcoming, and Later. Treat this as your daily dashboard. Move items into Today that you intend to finish and push others to Upcoming or Later so your attention stays on what matters now. When a task feels big, open it and add subtasks. Breaking a task like Prepare Presentation into Create Outline, Design Slides, and Practice makes it easier to start and track progress. As you work, click the check mark to complete tasks. They'll disappear from your active list, which keeps your space tidy and gives you a clear sense of progress. A few quick habits go a long way. Keep tasks small and actionable, use due dates to create momentum, and review My Tasks every morning to plan your day. And that's how you can use Asana for personal productivity. Organize your tasks, plan your day, and stay focused even when you're working alone. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.